Have you ever felt your whole mood change because of someone's words? A single insult, a rude comment, a careless act, and suddenly, your peace disappears like smoke in the wind. But here's the secret most people never realize. No one can steal your peace unless you hand it to them. Once, in a riverside town surrounded by red clay hills, there lived a potter named Harry. He was known for shaping the most beautiful vases, and for breaking them whenever he lost his temper. Harry's hands could mold clay like magic, but his heart? It was fragile. If his apprentice dropped a pot, he shouted. If the rain ruined his drying work, he cursed. Even the sound of children playing nearby made him grumble. Why can't they ever be quiet? His wife Mira often told him softly, "Harry, you can't stop the wind, but you can learn to cover your lamp." Harry would frown and say, "Easy for you to say. People make me angry." He didn't know, it wasn't people who made him angry. It was his reaction. One evening, as the town prepared for the annual festival of artisans, Harry's anger flared again. His apprentice, a boy named Tonu, accidentally cracked the handle of a large clay pot. Harry exploded, shouting so loudly that even the cows turned their heads. Tonu ran away crying. The pot shattered under Harry's foot. Later that night, while the others celebrated, Harry sat alone in his quiet workshop, surrounded by broken clay and regret. The silence was heavy. He whispered, "Why do I feel worse every time I shout?" The next morning, an old traveler arrived in the village, a calm, smiling man with silver hair and kind eyes. He carried a small drum and walked as if the world weighed nothing. People called him Guru Kavi. He had traveled from town to town, teaching those who wished to find peace within themselves. When Mira heard about him, she told her husband, "Harry, go meet the traveler. Maybe you'll learn how to stop breaking your peace and your pots." Harry snorted. Another wise man with clever words? What does he know about broken things? But something inside him felt curious. The next day, he saw Guru Kavi sitting by the riverbank, watching the reflection of clouds ripple on the water. Harry stood quietly, then said, "Teacher, I'm tired. Everything makes me angry. People, mistakes, even life itself." Guru Kavi smiled. "Then you're ready to learn," he said. He pointed to the water. "Look at the river. When it's still, it reflects the sky. When it's disturbed, everything looks distorted. Your heart is the same." Harry frowned. "So, what should I do when someone upsets me? Just stay silent." The guru chuckled. "No, you must learn the art of shaping your response, the same way you shape clay. If the fire is too hot, the pot cracks. If it's balanced, it becomes strong." He handed Harry a small bowl of wet clay and said, "Shape this while I speak." As Harry molded, Guru Kavi dropped a few pebbles into the bowl. The clay splashed and lost shape. The guru said, "See? Even a small stone can ruin your work when your hands are tense. When anger lives in your heart, it shakes everything you build." He then placed his own hand over Harry's and said, "Now, breathe and begin again." Slowly, they shaped the clay together, smooth, balanced, calm. The guru smiled. When the hands are gentle, the form stays beautiful. When the heart is calm, the world looks beautiful. Harry went home thinking deeply. He decided to try a small change. The next day, Tonu broke another small pot by mistake. For a moment, Harry's jaw tightened. But he took a breath and said softly, "Don't worry, Tonu. Let's make it again, carefully this time." The boy looked up, shocked. For the first time, Harry didn't shout. And for the first time, Harry didn't feel empty. He felt light. That night, he slept peacefully. Days passed, and the festival of artisans finally arrived. Harry presented fewer pots than usual, but each one was crafted with care and calm. To his surprise, his work won the Village Choice Award, not because it was perfect, but because it carried a new softness, a quiet beauty that people felt. After the ceremony, Harry went to find Guru Kavi. He bowed and said, "Master, I finally understand. Anger doesn't come from outside. It's born inside me. But peace lives there too. The old man smiled. Yes, life will always bring wind and rain. But once you stop fighting the storm, you learn to shape it. Years passed. Harry grew older and calmer. Children came to learn pottery from him, but they left learning patience instead. Whenever someone grew frustrated, he would say, "Don't let your clay crack from a fire. Breathe. Try again." One afternoon, a young man asked, "Master, don't people still annoy you?" Harry smiled, looking at his hands covered in clay. "Sometimes," he said, "but I've learned not to hold their fire. When someone throws anger, I let it fall, because I have better things to build." We can't stop people from saying hurtful words. We can't stop the world from being unfair. But we can choose not to hold that fire. Every calm breath is strength. Every silence is wisdom. The one who controls his reaction shapes his life, just like the potter shapes clay. So next time someone tries to disturb your peace, smile and whisper, "I won't hold the fire." Because true strength isn't in shouting louder, it's in staying still when the storm tries to shake you. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs peace today. Because every story here teaches the art of calm and the beauty of not breaking when the fire burns.